Alright, here's a short little video showing you how I replaced the draft inducer motor on my furnace. The motor started to squeal and it wasn't actually starting up. And at first I thought it was the capacitor, so I replaced the original capacitor which fit in there with this kind, which helped for a little bit. The motor did start up, but it wasn't too long after that the motor itself started to give out, and you can hear it right now squealing. So I ended up ordering a new drafted whole unit. So I'm going to replace that, and then everything should be good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this old inducer motor off of here. I already loosened up a couple of bolts. Come on out of there. There's a hose clamp right up here that clamps this end part of it up in the, holds that in place. Got a vacuum line here, pull that off. Disconnect the electrical wires. And there it is. Okay, so I got the new motor here on the right, and as you can see, it's pretty much identical to the old motor, other than, like I said earlier, the different capacitor. So for the installation, I'm just going to reverse what I did to take the old one off, so I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so here we are again. Now I've got the new motor all back in place. Just again, simply bolts on in 4 places. Got your rubber clamp up there, and your electrical wiring, vacuum hose. So it should be ready to go. Let's click on the switch and see if it works. Yeah, much better. So now, just for the heck of it, I'll give you a look at the old motor. I took the clips off the casing just so I can open it up already, and just to show you what's on the inside. And it's just basically an impeller, I guess, that blows the air. And you can see how this thing just barely wants to spin. So anyway, that's it. My furnace is working good again.